What if I told you your older car could feel dramatically smarter, and in some cases safer, without locking yourself into an expensive monthly payment or buying a brand new vehicle? Because that's exactly what's happening right now. A lot of newer cars advertise features like blind spot alerts, advanced cameras, GPS tracking, and hands-free communication like they're exclusive luxury upgrades. They're not. You can add many of those features yourself for a fraction of what people spend upgrading vehicles. And honestly, some drivers need these upgrades badly. Maybe your car has terrible blind spots. Maybe your factory Bluetooth sounds awful. Maybe you've wanted dash cam footage after seeing crazy road incidents online. Or maybe you just want to know where your vehicle is at all times. That's exactly why this list matters. We tested the categories that actually improve daily driving, and some of these devices feel far more useful than flashy factory features people rarely touch. And trust me, our number one pick solves a problem people usually don't think about until it's too late. Let's jump in, and as always, links to every product are down below if you want pricing and availability. Starting at number 6, the Pelsee P12 Pro Mirror Dash Cam. This thing completely transforms older vehicles, and the biggest upgrade is immediate. Your standard rear-view mirror suddenly becomes a massive 12-inch touchscreen display. That alone feels like jumping several model years forward. Rear visibility becomes dramatically better, especially if your rear window is blocked by passengers, luggage, or poor visibility conditions. And unlike basic dash cams, this gives you front and rear recording. You get 4K front footage and 1080p rear footage. That's excellent for accident protection. But where things get really interesting is the built-in safety technology. Blind spot detection, lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts. That's huge for older vehicles that never had those systems built in. Now here's the catch. Installation can be more complicated because of rear camera wiring. And unlike some higher-end dash cams, there's no dedicated cabin camera. Still, if you want the biggest overall vehicle upgrade, this one feels incredibly modern. At number 5, the VeoPulse B-PRO 2B. And this solves a very annoying older car problem: terrible phone call quality. A lot of older vehicles either don't have Bluetooth or the built-in microphones sound awful. That's where this shines. Its 6-watt speaker system delivers much louder and clearer call audio than many competing speakerphones. That matters if you spend hours driving for work. Sales professionals, real estate agents, business travelers, rideshare drivers. This can make daily communication much easier. It also supports 2 connected phones simultaneously. That's great for work and personal devices. And the automatic power-on feature makes daily use effortless. Open your door, get in, it activates. Simple. The downside? Speakerphone systems still lack privacy, and some users report occasional pairing hiccups. But for clear communication, this is excellent. At number 4, the Sunitec BC980SA. This one competes directly with VeoPulse, but wins in one major category: battery life. And not just slightly better battery life, massively better battery life. You get up to 22 hours of talk time and extremely long standby performance. That makes this ideal for drivers who hate constantly charging devices. It also includes voice assistant compatibility and dual phone connectivity. And setup remains simple. Its vibration sensor automatically powers it on when you enter your vehicle. That's extremely convenient. Now here's where it loses ground. Audio quality simply isn't as strong as VeoPulse. It's good enough, but not premium. Still, if battery life matters most, this one becomes incredibly attractive. At number 3, the Rexing V1 4K Dash Cam. This is built for people who want one thing above everything else: evidence. And this thing delivers. Its 4K recording captures impressive detail: license plates, road signs, vehicle details. That extra clarity becomes extremely valuable after accidents. And one feature many buyers overlook: the supercapacitor. This matters a lot. Traditional batteries can struggle in extreme heat or freezing weather. Supercapacitors handle extreme climates much better. That makes this far more reliable long-term. Its low-profile design also helps it stay discreet. But here's the catch. The interface feels outdated. The screen navigation isn't great, and features like GPS require extra purchases. Still, if video evidence matters most, this is a serious contender. At number 2, the 70mm M200 Dash Cam. And this one proves that higher resolution doesn't always mean better real-world performance, because this dash cam absolutely dominates at night. Its Sony Starvis 2 sensor performs incredibly well in low-light conditions, and that matters more than many buyers realize. A lot of accidents happen in poor lighting, bad weather, late-night driving, parking lots. This camera handles those situations extremely well. It also stays incredibly discreet thanks to its compact design. You barely notice it once installed. And voice controls make it easier to use while driving. Now here's the downside. No built-in screen, and parking mode requires extra hardware. But for night drivers, this is incredibly impressive. And finally, number 1, the Tracki GPS Tracker. And this wins because it solves a problem people often ignore until it becomes a nightmare. Vehicle theft, unexpected driver usage, losing track of assets, emergency location tracking. This tiny device handles all of it, and its small size makes it incredibly versatile. You can hide it in your vehicle, use it for family tracking, protect valuable assets, and get real-time location updates. That flexibility makes it incredibly useful. Its geofencing alerts are also excellent. You'll know when your vehicle enters or leaves specific areas. That's incredibly useful for parents, business owners, and fleet users. And real-time updates can happen every few seconds. That's serious tracking capability. Now here's the trade-off. Battery life drops quickly during constant tracking. And there's a monthly subscription cost. That may frustrate some buyers. But when it comes to peace of mind, this device delivers more than almost anything else on this list. And here's the truth. If you want your car to feel newer, number 6 is a huge upgrade. If you want better calls, choose number 5 or 4. If accident footage matters most, numbers 3 and 2 are excellent. But if protecting your vehicle is your biggest concern, number 1 is the smartest investment here. Check the links below for updated pricing because deals change often. And if this video helped you avoid wasting money on the wrong smart car gadget, hit like, subscribe, and let us know which feature your current car desperately needs. Drive smarter, and we'll see you in the next one.